And I'm going to show you two videos now, just 4-minute videos that we put together to compare these implant systems. So the first one is a reality check video for the Nobel Replace implant.
Implant Direct continues to provide a reality check to the implant industry by providing dentists with better products and better value, including the RePlant implant with both surgical and prosthetic compatibility to the Nobel Replace at a fraction of the cost. The RePlant includes standard all-in-one packaging, saving Nobel Replace customers $359 per implant. RePlant implants are made from medical-grade titanium alloy for greater strength compared to commercially pure titanium. The use of this stronger material and the fixture mount packaging significantly reduce the risk of fracture during insertion. RePlant's patented mini threads with double lead threads are designed to reduce crestal bone loss and speed insertion. These features, in combination with the long self-tapping groove, increase initial stability. Versatility is key, and by providing a multi-use fixture mount, the RePlant offers multiple insertion options and flexible temporary prosthetic solutions. RePlant's fixture mount with a flat side makes indexing straightforward, allowing for more common use of stock abutments. Implant Direct's use of the dual grip technology in the prosthetic screw, included cover screw, and available healing collars provide Nobel customers the added savings and ease of using their current tools. Only Implant Direct provides a natural solution for implant team communication issues by offering the team approach, with labels, standard letters, included impression options, and instructions. The smooth communication of the placing specialist, the restorative clinician, and the lab is achieved, providing the patient the most efficient care. With a full line of tri-lobe compatible prosthetics offering significant savings, Implant Direct continues to broaden your prosthetic options.
I want to show you the comparison between the SwishPlus and the Straumann implant. This is the Straumann implant, no vertical cutting grooves, very minimal threads. The SwishPlus is 100% compatible surgically and prosthetically and has added micro grooves. And we also have the SwishPlant, which is a tapered implant. So now I'm going to play you the reality check video that we developed to show the comparison between the SwishPlus and the Straumann tissue level implant.
The SwishPlus implant with both surgical and prosthetic compatibility to the Straumann ITI tissue level implant provides a reality check to Straumann customers by providing an improved design and packaging at a fraction of the cost. The SwishPlus includes a cover screw and a 2mm healing collar, saving Straumann customers $336 per implant compared to Straumann's US list price. The SwishPlus provides Straumann doctors the same popular diameters and platforms they're used to and adds a narrow 3.3 implant and a 5.7 with a standard 6.5 platform, ideal for molar extraction sockets. SwishPlus provides the standard internal octagon Straumann platform with the addition of an internal square to allow engagement of a fixture mount to simplify implant placement. Microgrooves increase surface area and reduce stress on crestal bone, while the half-texture neck facilitates tissue level or aesthetic placement. Progressively deeper threads increase surface area, and in combination with the apical thread and vertical cutting grooves, self-tapping insertion increases initial stability, so important for immediate loading. The SwishPlus implant's frictional fixture mounts and abutments offer 100% compatibility with Straumann surgical drills and tools, including both manual and motor-driven. Due to the half-textured neck, SwishPlus can be placed at 1 or 2 millimeters above the bone. SwishPlus indexing eliminates the need for Straumann's A or B two-piece abutments for rotational positioning by providing dots on the fixture mount that indicate the flat of the octagon. Internal flats are positioned at the time of implant placement, avoiding complications of A or B positioning. The SwishPlus fixture mount engages the implant's internal square and is frictionally retained for less complex removal compared to Straumann's fixture mount that only engages the internal threads and requires use of a holding tool to remove. The holding tool must provide counter torque to avoid unscrewing the implant. The inclusion of a cover screw with a 2 mm healing collar, along with a shorter machine surface of the SwishPlus, facilitate flexible placement options, including tissue level, in thin or thick tissue, and aesthetic placement for subgingival margins. Implant Direct's solid straight abutments designed for snap-on transfers indicated for multi-unit restorations are provided in kits with significant cost savings compared to Straumann. SwishPlus also offers a kit with a two-piece abutment, snap-on transfer, abutment analog, and castable coping for single-tooth restorations in the posterior arch. Implant Direct provides free patient labels to facilitate team communication between the surgical specialist, restorative dentist, and laboratory. Implant Direct has Team Approach video links and customizable referral thank you letters available on the Team Approach section of the website. With a full line of internal octagon-compatible prosthetics offering significant savings, Implant Direct continues to broaden your prosthetic options. Watch the All Over 4 video on the support page at implantdirect.com to see GPS and SwishPlus used in an upper edentulous jaw treatment.
So now I'm going to play you the reality check video that we developed to show the comparison between the Zimmer and the Legacy 1, 2, and 3.
The Legacy system, with both surgical and prosthetic compatibility to the Zimmer tapered screw vent, provides a reality check to Zimmer customers by providing improved design and packaging options at a fraction of the cost. The Legacy implants are available with an overall textured surface created by blasting with HA particles called SBM or soluble blast media, or with this surface just on the top 3 mm with HA coating below. All Legacy implants provide the same platform designed by Dr. Niznick for the screw vent implant in 1986. Legacy abutments are compatible with the Zimmer, BioHorizons, and MIS internal hex implants. The Legacy implants offer color-coded anodized fixture mounts, platforms, transfers, and analogs to simplify ordering and use of restorative components. The new Legacy 1 implant features a frictional carrier for economy and ease of insertion. It has standard V-shaped threads, like the screw vent, while offering an SBM surface to the top of the implant versus the 1 mm machine neck on the screw vent. Legacy's double lead threads for faster insertion transition to micro threads for increased surface area and stability. The Legacy 1 has 2 long cutting grooves and an evenly tapered body to facilitate self-tapping insertion, compared to the 2 short grooves of the screw vent, with its apical vent that reduces thread engagement. Both surgical and prosthetic compatibility are achieved. Legacy 1 provides matching diameters and lengths to the tapered screw vent system. The Legacy 2 implant features a titanium fixture mount that functions as a closed tray transfer and can be modified for use as a temporary, engaging, or non-engaging abutment. Its body has double lead buttress threads that get progressively deeper apically for increased surface area compared to the standard V threads of the tapered screw vent. Zimmer Dental now offers an optional screw vent with an HA blasting to the top with microgrooves, whereas the Legacy implants have patented micro threads for added bone engagement. The Legacy 2 has 3 long cutting grooves and a more pronounced body taper compared to the tapered screw vent, with its 2 short grooves and an apical vent that reduces thread engagement. Legacy 2 maintains surgical and prosthetic compatibility with the tapered screw vent. Legacy 2 expands treatment options by offering a 7 mm diameter implant with a 5.7 platform, with a 3.2 and a 5.2 diameter implant soon to be added to the line, as well as 6 mm lengths. The Legacy 3 implant features a titanium fixture mount that functions as a closed tray transfer and can be shortened for use as a final abutment. Its body has double lead buttress threads that get progressively deeper apically for increased surface area compared to the standard V threads of the tapered screw vent. Zimmer Dental now offers a screw vent with an optional HA blasting to the top with microgrooves, whereas the Legacy implants have patented micro threads for added bone engagement. The Legacy 3 has 2 long cutting grooves and an evenly tapered body to facilitate self-tapping insertion, compared to the 2 short grooves of the screw vent, with its apical vent that reduces thread engagement. Both surgical and prosthetic compatibility are achieved. The Legacy 3 system expands treatment options by offering 6 diameters with a 7.0 soon to be added, as well as the 6 mm lengths. All three fixture mounts offer options for insertion, including a hex hole in the top for engaging a 2.5mm hex tool or drill, which also fits into the internal hex of the 3.7, 4.2, and 4.7 implants, and a square top that accepts a screw vent or a Nobel BioCare fixture mount drill. The fixation screw for the two-piece fixture mounts and the cover screw accept standard 1.25mm hex tools or drills. With a full line of internal hex compatible abutments offering significant savings, Implant Direct continues to broaden your prosthetic options. Visit the Compare Systems section of ImplantDirect.com to read about the limitations of the Zimmer TM implant. Coming soon from Implant Direct, the Legacy 4 with an innovative fixture mount. Watch the All Over 4 video on the Support tab at ImplantDirect.com to see the GPS and Legacy used in an upper edentulous jaw treatment.